This is not just another flagship smartphone. It's possibly the best compact flagship under its price bracket. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashish, and today I've got something genuinely exciting, the brand new vivo X200e. Honestly, I've been saying wow way too often. This phone has gone beyond my expectations, and I can't wait to show you why. Before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this video helps, a like would really help the channel. So, inside the box, here's what you get. Type A to Type C cable, 90-watt flash charger, a good quality case, SIM tool, and a premium service card. And of course, the phone itself, this stunning amber yellow finish. When I first held it, I was genuinely stunned. It's compact, sleek, premium, all in one. The design is minimal yet bold, with a large triple camera setup and that signature Zeiss branding, plus an aura light just below. Even with its 6,500 mAh battery, the phone weighs only 189 grams. That's insane. The glass metal sandwich, matte finish, and curved edges make it feel like a proper premium flagship. Super pocket friendly too. We even did a light drop test, and thanks to shot sensation glass on the front and shield glass at the back, it survived easily. Ports and layout. Bottom, USB-C, speaker, SIM tray, mic. Top, mic plus earpiece. Yes, right, power and volume compromise. No compromises here, and the audio quality is surprisingly good for such a compact phone. All right, let's talk cameras, probably the highlight of this phone. Daylight, low light, indoor portraits, every shot we took looked incredible. The dynamic range, bokeh, and DSLR-like clarity genuinely impressed me. Our own videographer said he's ditching his iPhone just for this camera. Camera specs: 50 mega Sony IMX921 main sensor, 3x telephoto, 8 megapixels ultra-wide, 50 megapixel selfie camera. Shoots 4K at 60 FPS on both front and back, except ultra-wide capped at 1080p. And that Zeiss partnership brings features like Zeiss portrait styles, biotar, sonar, and more. Multifocal portraits, 24mm to 100mm, astro, food, night, pro, AI filters. Adaptive aura light, changes color temp between 1800K to 5200K for perfect lighting. Display, compact but stunning. It's got a 6.31 AMOLED LTPO panel with 1.5K resolution, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh, 5000 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus support. Sharp, smooth, and super immersive, especially for watching content. And yes, the haptics feel excellent for such a compact build. Performance, MediaTek at its best. Under the hood, 9300 plus, and AnTuTu score around 2 million. Gaming runs at smooth 90 FPS. Genshin Impact averages 58 to 59 FPS. Thermal performance, well controlled thanks to the vapor cooling system. CPU stability, 71%, good for extended gaming sessions. Battery, big cell in a small body. This is a 6,500 mAh battery with 90-watt wired fast charging. No wireless charging, unfortunately. Uses 3rd-gen silicon anode tech. Battery life, around 1.5 to 2 days of regular use. Impressive for a compact phone. Storage and RAM comes in 2 variants, 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB, with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Sure, UFS 4.0 would have been great, but performance remains fast and snappy. Software FunTouch OS15 runs on Android 15 with 4 years of major updates, 5 years of security patches, clean UI with minimal bloat. You also get AI features like Call Assist, on-screen translation, magic move, reflection remover, AI erase. I still prefer the China-only Origin OS, and I hope Vivo brings that globally. Biometrics in one hand huge. Optical in-display fingerprint scanner, quick and reliable. Face unlock works great. Compact size makes one-hand usage super easy. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5 NFC, IR blaster, dual nano SIM, no eSIM, USB 2.0, a minor letdown, IP68 and IP69 water dust resistance. Final verdict. To sum it all up, possibly the best compact Android flagship under its price. Incredible cameras with Zeiss optics, huge battery, lightweight build, Sharp display, smooth UI, great haptics, packed with features including IP rating and IR blaster. Downsides: no wireless charging, USB 2.0 port. FunTouch OS may not be everyone's favorite, but overall this is the vivo X200 FE, and it might just redefine what compact smartphones are capable of. Got any questions or want to see a comparison? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep going and stay safe.